So when we got to the part of the call, and the recruiters are so funny, or the people that are hiring are so funny. So when they got me to my second interview, it was 3 people on the call. And we were talking, they were asking me some of the same questions. And I said to them, I said, listen, when it was just me and Jessica on the call, you know, we were good. So please bear with me, guys. It's 3 of you all now. So I'm a little nervous and my words are kind of like jimbling together. And one of the women were like, well, it must be good nerves because if anything, it looks like you're excited. And that's why your words are like mumbling together. So I said, okay, good. So we were talking and they were just asking me questions, like general questions. It wasn't even a full rundown. And then 2 of them got off the call. And then the last person got on and they were just like, so if we decide to give you, I said, okay, they playing with me now. He said, if we decided to give you the role, these are the benefits. This is the medical plan. This is this. This is the money that we'll give you for transportation. This is the money we'll give you for using your cell phone monthly. And then the amount that ranges is anywhere between 90,000 to 104.